Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily add a volume slider to your iPhone lock screen. The iPhone lock screen already provides quick access to media controls whenever you play music, podcasts, or other audio content. However, many users may not know that Apple also offers an option to display a dedicated volume slider directly inside the lock screen media player. This feature makes adjusting the audio levels much easier because you no longer need to unlock your iPhone or repeatedly press the physical volume buttons. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, you have to scroll down a bit and then choose the accessibility option. This section includes various options designed to improve the overall usability of your device. Then you have to head over to the hearing section and choose audio and visual option. Then you have to look for always show volume control option and then enable the toggle located right next to it, and that's about it. Once the setting is activated, start playing any audio content such as a song, podcast, video. Your iPhone lock screen media control will now display a volume slider below the regular playback buttons. The added volume slider provides a more convenient way to control sound, especially when your iPhone is positioned away from you. Furthermore, it also offers a smoother experience for users who frequently listen to audio throughout the day and want faster access to volume adjustments without unlocking their device. And later, if you ever want to get rid of this feature, just head over to the same accessibility setting and then disable the toggle for always show volume control. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily hide or remove volume slider to your iPhone lock screen. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it in order to enhance your iOS experience. And I'll catch you up in the next one.